fix one of these pop-up drains when they pop down and won't pop up. It's got the lever up here for pulling the drain up, but not working. Nothing happening down there. No connecto. Nothing happening. So you've got to dive underneath down here. There you go. Down underneath here. You'll see there is this bar here and this. Now this is actually connected to that little handle. I move that up and down. You'll see up there that going up and down. But it's not connected to the bar. You see it's wood there. It's not connected to the bar. It's popped off. So when that goes up, actually when that goes down, that will open the drain and let the water drain out. There. So all we need to do is put that on the end of that and just press it into place. You don't need any tools for this. Pop it in and there you go. It's connected again. It'll now work and activate the drain. So what had happened, that had popped off. And yeah, it's pretty loose. So it probably needs a little clamp, or you know, you can get a little drop of glue or something to hold it in place. But that's the bit that you need to reconnect. That strip with the holes in it needs to reconnect onto the drain, and then she'll work great.